I don't know about you guys, but anytime I hear the words free, my guard instantly goes up because nothing is free. But let me tell you what just happened. So, a while back, I signed up with this company called Telly. I had seen somebody on a podcast, or I don't remember if it was an advertisement, but I looked it up, downloaded the app, and what they're doing is they're giving away free 55-inch TVs. Free. But the business model is this: the TV is just like normal, and then below it, there's another little screen that runs advertisements 24/7. And then also, they're selling the information of what you watch. Whether you know it or not, anytime you download Netflix, Amazon Prime, any of those apps, what they're doing is they're selling that information. The reason TVs are so cheap now is because those companies don't make any money on the TVs. They make money selling your information. So anytime you download an app, that's basically what the user agreement is about. It's saying we're going to sell the information of what you watch. So Telly's just being upfront about it. Now, all that being said, I just got the email saying I was approved and it's going to be delivered next Wednesday. So when I get it, I will open it and we will see it together and we'll find out how legit this is. I'm excited, but I wanted to tell you guys about it so you can sign up because it does take a little while. What do you have to lose? It can't hurt. It's a free TV. So if you have a Telly TV, comment below. I want to hear about it. We'll do an unboxing next Wednesday and we'll see what this is all about and see how legit it is. They're not paying me. This is not a promotion for them. I just thought it was cool and wanted to tell you guys about it. So let me know what you think below.